Today we're going to do some counting with farm animals. Now I happen to have some pigs here, but you can round up all the animals you have that are farm animals, or if you don't have farm animals, you could count other things. So I have two different sizes. I'm going to count the little pigs first. I have 1, 2 little pigs. Then I'm going to count the big pigs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 big pigs and 2 little pigs. Now, why don't I count all the pigs? Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So altogether I have 6 pigs, and you can divide them. You can make a group of small pigs and a group of big pigs. Or if you have animals and vehicles like pickups and tractors and things like that, you could make a group of tractors and vehicles and a group of animals. You can make this however you would like to do it, but just kind of see what you have that might be good for counting that has to do with farms. Have a great day.